My name's Sam, I'm a psych NP, and I saw a very important video the other day that I wanted to kind of discuss. It was a woman who's pregnant and she went to her OBGYN, and the OBGYN said, next appointment we're doing some sort of testing. She didn't say what the testing was, but she told her OBGYN that she had done her own research and she wasn't going to do what the testing recommended. And she was annoyed that the OBGYN asked further questions and said something along the lines of, I'm paying you, as in I don't have, and she said, I'm paying you, I don't have to explain myself to you. Now, I am a huge proponent of patient advocacy and being an active participant in your plan. However, the whole thought process of I'm paying you, do what I want, don't ask questions is very harmful. And anyone in healthcare, an NP, a PA, a doctor, nurses, we have an oath to make sure you understand the decisions you're making. At the end of the day, you will make your own decisions. But if that OBGYN didn't prompt further and say, what research are you referring to? Because the OBGYN is following evidence-based practice. So they're recommending to you what evidence-based says will give you the best outcomes. So if they just didn't prompt further and something happened to you because you neglected to follow the doctor's orders, the first person you're going to look to is the OBGYN and say, did you educate her of the risk of this decision? And if she didn't prompt further, the answer would have been no. So just because you're paying for healthcare doesn't mean your provider is just going to do what you want, because they have an oath to educate you so you know what the decisions you're making. At the end of the day, is it your body? Yes, but it is our duty to inform you of potential consequences of certain decisions you make. So I think there's a very fine line, and if you need to go to a new provider, okay, but to get annoyed that your OBGYN, who is trying to give you the best outcome with your baby, is a little crazy to me and kind of harmful.